Hey, everybody here was sweating and working really hard, and you just pull up here, flexing on us with the Rolex. Really?
No, show up late and then you don't have to do anything. Never learned that?
But that's boss talk right there. Boss talk.
Black talk.
Ooh. What up, world? Welcome back to another episode of you see Lambos. Yes, Skinny's World. I'm at Lamborghini Newport Beach. Woo! Long-term rally. It's gonna be insane today. It's gonna be insane. It's open to the public. This is their kickoff event. They're leaving here, taking out to the rally, and your boy Skinny's gonna be at home. Yeah, gonna be at home because I just couldn't make it. I feel bad for myself. On the brighter side, though, it's gonna be a great rally. I mean, we're gonna make history today too. He's gonna be the first Mustang
and only
ever to park
inside the Lamborghini lot.
Inside the Lambo lot.
And then get to be the guy to tell the other Mustangs that can't come in.
That's how the world works.
Like,
it kind of goes around.
Showing up with a Mustang, what's wrong with you? Peasant?
Peasant. Although his Mustang is fast, yes, it's really fast. It's gonna be lit. You're gonna see a ton of sick cars, $1 million cars, 1,000, 100,000, billion, I don't know what you wanna call it. But it's gonna be lit, so stick around, hang on tight. I'm excited. Long-term rally kickoff. Let's get it. Yay! How do you guys feel about the Mustang parking inside the Lamborghini parking lot?
It's a no for me. Get that thing out of here. Get it out.
Get it out. Sorry, Will. You got to go. You got to go. I have to apologize. I egged these kids on over there and asked them how they felt about the Mustang parking in the parking lot.
They're mad because their BMW's down the street. They're mad. That's all. Whatever they said.
Okay.
Pedal on the right. Pedal on the right.
It doesn't have that much power anyway. You can probably stop it.
All right, you got through. Oh man, now we got real trouble now. What up, brother? Fatty's World. Dang, man. And there's no spots open, and you guys are taking them off. What's up, dude? Driven Car Club is like taking over right now. Wow.
God damn, you're not hanging over there about me.
Woo! Woo! That is lit. Wow. Wow. If you guys are entertained by the cars that are coming in, I don't know what will, because this is crazy. Look at this color. Look at this color. Wow. Woo! He's rolling in all cool, all laid back. Driven Car Club is crazy right now. What is going on? And they keep coming, and they keep coming. Driven Car Club is crazy right now. Wow. Look at that. A modeling Ferrari dog. That's what's up. Wow. All right, long-term rally successful. I got my man Dylan here. You good? Can I get a good one here? That's what we're doing. So I got a question, man.
Yes.
And all these cars, man, like McLaren Universe, R8s, SVJs. I mean, we got everything here, right?
Everything.
And the one thing I see that sticks out like a sore thumb is we have a Mustang in a Lamborghini parking lot. Our boy Bilko. I mean,
A V6.
I mean,
V6.
It's a V6.
Oh, what are you doing, Will?
Right? I mean,
Parking your V6 Mustang, everything is slow.
this disrespectful or is it allowed?
It's allowed. He gets the one exception, that's it.
Yeah, well, you do get the only exception. I've got a lot of comments about your car. Let's rewind back to the original one from earlier. You guys can figure it out. Like, check it out.
It's a no for me. Get that thing out of here.
Get it out! Like, oh, that's pretty crazy.
Pretty cool.
Now, out of all the cars here, what's your favorite?
Honestly, okay, well, the Enzo inside, that has to win, but that's like, we
Enzo.
can't even put that. We can't even compare it here. There's also a Sion in there, but I'd take the 765.
Oh, that thing is beautiful.
It's crazy.
Oh, you rode in one?
Yes.
Dang, I'm jealous. He always gets to go in the cool cars. Hey, check out my man on Instagram and his YouTube channel.
Thank you.
And on TikTok, guys. He's
TikTok.
huge on TikTok. His lifestyle is just way better than mine.
No, we do the same stuff. We're all at the same
Yeah, but
time.
he knows cooler people than I do. Yeah, he knows cooler people than I do. You do it.
Everybody.
You live in the
Miss
Vida
you.
Loca. What about this car do you like? What is
Dude,
it?
look at it. 4 exhaust pipes out of the back.
Sheesh. Can I get a sheesh?
It's bustin'. Look at the tail, bro. The long tail, the LT. When you brake and it goes straight up, it's huge.
In his words, sheesh.
That's how it works. That's how we do it. This car I've ever been in, honestly, it's next level.
I heard it has shorter gears.
Yeah,
is that
the
true?
gears are super short on it. So the 60 to 130 is faster than a Chiron.
Whoa.
The quarter
What?
mile is the fastest production quarter mile in any car.
Crazy. Wow. Appreciate you, man.
I miss you.
Hey, check him out, guys. Oh, look at getting hugs over
Getting
here,
hugs
man.
over
We're
here.
getting hugs over here. Can't get enough of fresh kicks. Not only are the kicks fresh, but the ride. Oh, speaking of the man right here, the ride's fresh, and he always has fresh kicks. And fresh kicks. Hey, I'm trying to get out. These are Target. These are Ross. All right, guys, you see this piece of crap C8 Corvette parked here. At this Lamborghini event, all these supercars, you get this like, I don't know what, man, do you know what this is?
The suspension's broken. I don't know.
I think you're right.
Hey.
The suspension is broken. What?
You know what? At least it's not a fake Lamborghini.
What? He is the asshole of the vlog. Oh my God. Secret drivers meeting. Unfortunately, I'm not part of the rally. I know, but guys, Long Term Rally did it big. Yes, Mike, Julie, awesome job, guys. This setup you guys have, the event is phenomenal. I know the rally is going to be insane. I'm definitely going to the next rally, but you can tell they're having their drivers meeting. This event's going to be insane. So congratulations to you, Mike and Julie, on playing this amazing rally. All right, you guys see it. Long Tail Rally. Everybody's headed out. Woo! All right, guys, they're wrapping up. They're getting ready to send off on their rally, on their venture. Sad I'm not going, but I'll be on the next one. Yes, I will. I'll be on the next one, I promise. Shout out to Julie and Mike for setting this event. Nasty cars, everyone show love. On to rally. Have fun, guys. Guys, hit that subscribe button on your bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Shop the merch, shopskinniesreal.com. And just like that, Skinny's Real. And we out. Skinny's World.